Come here.
And pasta.
Come here. Come get Mama.
Bradley. Timmy. Timmy, do you know where the other water thing is?
Come here. Come get it.
Do you know where it is, buddy?
No. And I can't find it anywhere. Mommy. I don't see a word on it.
Good job. You did it.
Hey, Mommy.
Yay, Julie.
Good job, Julian. You did it.
Timmy did his rocket over the fence.
And I got it.
Say yeah.